Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I bought this leather handbag from my local thrift store for $6. It had clearly been well loved, particularly around the handles. This was a very easy, quick restoration project with great results. First, I used scissors and a very fine sandpaper to remove any rough edges. Next, I used a shoe dye that I've had for ages and has seen me through many restoration and upcycling projects to dye the areas where the leather had come off. I simply painted this on with an old paintbrush. I always forget to do so, but I would recommend wearing gloves for a project like this because this is an oil-based dye and it's very hard to get off your hands. After waiting an hour or so for it to dry, I buffed it all with a leather conditioning spray and a clean cloth. And here it is finished. I think it looks like new and it will now enjoy a second life in my wardrobe for many years to come. If you want to see more DIY projects like this one, please give me a thumbs up. I upload upcycling ideas weekly, so subscribe so you don't miss an update. Thanks for watching.